As I continue to lock in my wardrobe, I feel like I'm in a really good spot. I've got all my basics down, I've got my everyday fits down, and I find myself buying less, and I absolutely love that I'm buying less. I've got high quality pieces that are gonna last me a long time. But one spot that I've been absolutely struggling in to find cool pieces is the carry accessory or travel gear space. I've been noticing I've been stuck using this same Amazon suitcase and high school gym bag when I go on trips. And I've been traveling a lot, so that needs to get upgraded. Well, I think I found the perfect weekender bag. I put it to use and I absolutely love this thing. How's it going, guys? I'm Brent Fiore. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here and like anything you see today, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. I would truly appreciate it. I know like 90% of you guys who watch my videos aren't subscribed. It's fast, free, easy, and helps me out a lot. I would truly appreciate it. Today, I want to tell you about this new weekender bag that I got, the Davis Weekender Bag by Beckett Simonon, and why it's perfect if you're in the market for a new weekender bag. Let's get into it. The three things I went through in my head when I was shopping for this piece was it's got to be valuable. It's got to be the right price and the right quality. Number two, it has to look good. If it doesn't look good, I'm never going to use it. And third is the functionality of the piece. If it's not functional, it's going to be a waste of time, and I'm, again, never going to want to use it. So those three things have to meet for this to be a good purchase. Let me tell you a little bit about this bag and what Beckett Simonon says. The Davis Weekender Bag is crafted from Italian calf leather that has been LWG awarded. The leather working group is a big time deal in the leather world. It means it's good for the planet, good for you, and it has to be high quality, which is super cool. But not only that, it's Italian calf leather, so you know it's gonna be good. Forget about it, it's Italian, it's a mutabella. It's made with pebbled leather, which means it's going to be more scratch resistant over time, but will still patina with that time. It comes preconditioned with your wife's shampoo, shea butter, and carbonara wax. I hope they're not putting that kind of wax in their hair. If they are, tell them to stop. It has YKK zippers, a reinforced bottom. All the seams are lock stitched seams for durability. It has a cotton twill lining, which means it's easy to clean, and if you ever get a rip or a tear, it is repairable, which is very important for a bag like this. It's handcrafted and hand finished, and it comes in three colors: tan, black, and oxblood. If this is your first weekender bag and you're thinking about getting this, I'd stay away from the tan personally. I think it's their worst color. The black is really cool, but the oxblood is just the most versatile and honestly the best looking color out of the three. Is this bag right for you? Well, a bag like this would normally cost about $700 to $1,000, depending on the brand you're getting it from. Because of the Italian calf leather, the handcrafted, a big box brand is gonna charge anywhere from $700 to $1,000, like I just said. The cool thing about this is the value is there instantly at $300 and about 80 bucks. You can get a bag like this. That's a stellar deal. This bag is absolutely perfect for non-rugged travel. And what I mean by that, it's pretty simple. If you're planning on going on a hiking, backpacking, or camping trip, this bag probably won't be right for you. But if you're a casual traveler, a businessman who goes on business trips, or you just like to travel in style and you take flights or road trips and stay in Airbnbs and hotels, this is probably going to be a perfect bag for you. Couple details on the outside of this bag. It's got two really nice leather handles on there. It comes with a shoulder strap as well. And on the back side of the bag, there is a little leather slot, which they didn't have to use leather for that, but they chose to where if you're flying, you can attach this to your carry-on and use it as your personal item, which is absolutely amazing. And this attached to a suitcase that is equally as stylish, looks so cool when traveling. The main compartment is great. I actually just got back from a bachelor party for one of my best friends. Congratulations, Noah and Jess. I love you guys. And this, for his bachelor party, was amazing. We spent 4 days in the Upper Peninsula of Michigan at a cabin, and I packed all my stuff in this. I packed a bunch of t-shirts. I packed 2 pairs of jeans. One was a 20-ounce denim, so a thick, heavy jean. I packed fleeces, a couple sweatshirts, and everything fit perfectly in here, as well as a pair of boots and a pair of Birkenstocks to boot, which is optimal space for a 4-day bag. Anything over that 4-day mark, you might have trouble packing it, but it's gonna work for anything under that. The cool thing about this bag is on the inside, you get a few extra pockets that have zippers on there, as well as kind of a hidden area where you can store something maybe a little bit more fragile, as it has an elastic space like a water bottle holder would have. So it's gonna stay a little bit more compact, tighter, so it won't break easily. Back to that original statement, the value proposition. Italian leather, pebbled leather, beautiful color, LWG certified leather at $380. That is a fantastic value. This thing's gonna get better with age, and if it breaks or rips at all on the inside, it's repairable because it's that cotton twill material. So value is 100% there. Aesthetically, this bag looks so good. I feel confident when I'm holding this. I feel like I'm super stylish. So the aesthetics are there. I mean, this color is absolutely phenomenal. Honestly, I don't think you could have a better color for a weekender bag. And third, and arguably most important, the functionality of this bag is fantastic. It works perfectly for what it's meant to be, a weekender bag. It's supposed to fit a decent amount of things that will get you through a long weekend at the cabin or a trip with your friends or family. And this bag hits all three of those initial check marks that I talked about. The Beckett Cimarron Davis Weekender bag is a perfect choice. If you're in the market for your first leather duffel bag, this is going to be a great option for you, and I would highly, highly recommend it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked anything you saw today, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. I love you guys. Jesus loves you even more, and we will see you in the next one.